everything is so chaotic in my house.
Why you blowing up my phone like that? Why you think I'm doing something wrong? I told you that my head ain't right. I just needed time alone.
I'm that person whereby if the house is not clean, I can't function. I can't function. And right now I'm frustrated. I am frustrated. It's past midday now and my baby just went for an afternoon nap. And now I'm here. I'm thinking, first, should I bath first? Should I clean first? Or should I eat first? Can you relate? Am I the only one? Can anyone else out there relate as a mom while the baby's sleeping? You don't know what to do first. If you clean, and I love cleaning from my bedroom, coming to the bathroom. If I go and clean in the bedroom and touch things, she's probably gonna wake up. Should I sit and eat? Should I bath? If I bath, she might wake up while I'm...
Just to clear what's on my mind. But you keep acting like there's someone else. Girl, you jump into the wrong line. I ain't making no excuses. No, I'm just asking you to breathe.
You need some winter clothes.
You want me to be a man about it, but being a man means I need peace. I just need space, baby. Just a little space, baby. Not running from you, not lying to you. Just needed time to think, baby. I'm still your man, baby. Never said I'm leaving, baby. Don't let your fear start speaking for you. I just need it, baby. I just need it. I just need it, baby. You keep saying if I loved you, I wouldn't walk out for the night. But you don't understand that loving you means I gotta get my mind right. I ain't saying you're not enough, girl, it's me who's feeling low. I'm tryna fix what's in my chest before it spills and hurts us both. So don't go packing up my thing. Don't go letting anger lead. You want honesty, I'm giving it. This ain't about you, it's about me. I just need a space, baby. Just a little space, baby. Not running from you, not lying to you.
The clothes had a weird smell. I think it's because they were just packed away and they're not breathing. We didn't have water for 2 days, so water just came back now. I'm gonna wash them before I put them in the closet. Here's your sign for you to start repacking your winter clothes back in your wardrobe.
I just need a space, baby. You think space means I'm falling back, but space is how I fight for us. I'd rather take a night to breathe than stay and say something messed up. I ain't going nowhere, girl. You're still the one I choose. But even men that love you hard got days they feel confused. I just need a space, baby. Give me that grace, baby. Don't let your doubts rewrite the truth. I'm still in this place, baby. Not running away, baby. Just needed a day, baby. Be patient with me.
But then you showed up, and everything made sense. You feel that too, right? like it was always meant to be. It's not perfect, but it's real. No maths, no games, just us. You get me, I get you. No words needed, just this feeling. Only us. Just this. I don't need the world. Just this moment. Just you standing here. It's deeper than love. It's everything we didn't know we needed. It's not perfect, but it's real. No maths, no games, just us. You get me, I get you. No words needed, just this feeling. Just us. Always. I wasn't even looking, but then you showed up, and everything made sense. You feel that too, right? Like it was always meant to be. It's not perfect, but it's real. No maths, no games, just us. You get me, I get you. No words needed, just this feeling. Only us. Ooh.
Love has truly been good to me. Not even one sad day or minute have I had since you've come my way. I hope you know I'd gladly go anywhere you take me. So I'm losing to be loved. Follow you to the moon and the sky above. I'll go
guys, don't mind my makeup. Okay, come here, let's talk, guys. Let's have a talk. I'm on my ovulation. Today is my ovulation day, and yes, that's my daughter. And I just wanted to hear from you guys. Do you guys also let's ignore Alina, okay? Do you guys also experience this whereby, like, yesterday I had weird cramps? Like, the cramps were so weird. They were not that intense, but they're uncomfortable. I also woke up in the morning today with like cramps, which is just so uncomfortable, guys. Like, they go on and off, and then I just woke up with weird appetites. Like, I want this, I want that, I want this, I want that. Today I was craving pap with beef. I cooked that pap with beef, and then I added lemon. Don't even ask me why I add lemon. I don't know, guys. That's what I was craving. I had that, but immediately after I ate that, I was craving something sweet. Guys, I just wanted to come here and ask you guys, you guys go through the same thing when you're ovulating? Do you go through this? I don't have mood swings, but today I was just very active. It's just that I didn't record today, but I was just very, very, very active. I cleaned the house, I washed, I cooked. I've been washing each and every plate that goes on the sink. But the cramps and the weird cravings, like right now I'm craving something sweet, like a cake, a brownie. Guys, I just wanted to come here and ask you guys, what happens to your body when you go through ovulation? Because yo guys, we're actually in the month of Ramadan. Alina, stop it. We're in the month of Ramadan, and I was supposed to be fasting today. I didn't fast because I woke up hungry. I woke up wanting to eat. I just kept, the light went down. Oh God, this child, stop it. Okay, before we got interrupted, so I just wanted to know, guys, even the light is faced the other way. Yo, having kids. And there we go. So I wanted to know with you guys, what do you go through when you are on your ovulation week, on your actual ovulation day? What exactly happens in your body? I would like to know. Let us discuss, guys, in the comment section, because I feel like I'm just a weird human being. Like, how can you crave something salty and sugary at the same time? Like, you eat something salty and then now you want something sugary. Like, make it make sense. Please, guys, let me know. And if, just in case if you're wondering what period calendar, I've been using this calendar for the past so many years. It's called my calendar, and this is what I use. I just input my periods, my records there. There is the calendar there. It's called my calendar. It's a pink one. It's available on Play Store. I've been using it for so many years, and it's very accurate. If it tells you you are on your danger days, you're on your danger days, and you're gonna get pregnant. Make no mistake. So I love using it. But guys, let me know in the comment section. And I was also doing my makeup. I was just doing a makeup therapy. Again, mood swings, things that I just feel like doing. I just felt like, let me sit down and do makeup. What do you guys think about my makeup? I think my eyebrows, I went a little bit crazy with the eyebrows, and I thought this red lip was gonna look weird and fun, but it looks nice. But let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this look, considering that I have not been doing my makeup for so long, because my baby, my little one right here, whom I'm holding in hand, she literally eats my face. So let's discuss in the comment section. I would love to know what goes on in your body when you're ovulating, guys. I am so curious to hear about other women's stories.